The following portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
Hey everybody, welcome back here on Good Day Kansas, Bri and I's favorite place to come, Stutzman's. That's where we are at today with Ben Miller. Always enjoy seeing you, Ben. Thanks for being with us.
I'm glad we're your favorite place.
Yeah.
Huh?
Oh yes, we love. This is one of our favorite segments to do every single week. Coming and seeing you at Stutzman's.
And we do this every Wednesday, and hopefully a lot of people kind of tune in for expecting that.
Yeah.
But kind of a garden show in its own way.
Yeah.
What I've got here today is we talk about the summer heat-loving plant program that we have, and what I've got here on a couple of these are also heat-loving plants, but they're best if in a shade spot, and just the fact that not everything is full sun.
Yeah.
You've got those shady spots, but my goodness, this is what was referred to as the sun patience. But yet, in Kansas, I'm going to say if it's 100+ degrees, they may not be quite so happy at 3 o'clock in the afternoon.
Yeah.
5 or so. But wonderful for anything morning sun till say at least noon. Perfect. The Mandevilla's got a lot of options on it. Kind of going both ways with a little bit of sun. And then of course the begonia hanging baskets are just stunning. And these varieties here really do handle our heat exceptionally well.
Yeah, Ben, for your heat-loving program in the summer, do you typically see your plants in pots, or are there a lot for the ground as well? Does that matter?
Also in the ground.
Okay.
We have some that are in a little larger pot.
Yeah.
And we refer to that as some that you might put into a planter to replace, because it is a little larger pot than what you may have had in the spring. And so sometimes you have one that, for whatever reason, wasn't quite so happy with his buddies, and you want to replace it. That's what we have for those. But you can also plant them in the ground, and again, a larger root system, and we'll make that transition when it's really hot with no problem.
Yeah. Tell our viewers about all the different locations you guys have across the state.
We're Dodge City, Pratt, Great Bend, McPherson, Salina, Newton. Here in Sedgwick County, we've got here at 13th and Tyler, where we're at today. Derby at Rock and Metal Art, a great spot. Andover on Central and 13th. Central and Andover Road, and of course we've been at Cambridge Market at 21st and Webb for quite some time. Then in Hutchinson, north part of Hutchinson on 30th Street, we have our north location. And then what we refer to often as the mothership in Plaza View, where all the production, everything in the corporate offices and things like that.
Yeah, it's so great because at all of these garden centers you can find what plants you're looking for, and also food to go along with it, some pots to go along with it, whatever people need.
Segue very well.
Yeah.
Remember, plants like people
need food. Absolutely, Ben. Thank you so much for being with us today. Yeah, make sure to reach out to one of those garden centers all across the state for all of your planting needs this summer. More of Good Day Kansas after the break.
The preceding portion of Let's Grow It is sponsored by Stutzman's.
It's been so wonderful to receive the much-needed rain and watch our landscapes flourish this spring. Hi, this is Ben Miller. On behalf of all of us at Stutzman's, I want to thank everyone who has shared our passion and the healthy lifestyle of gardening with us. Be sure to visit our garden centers, as each location will be featuring an in-store manager special of their choice. We'll see you at one of our 12 garden centers in central and western Kansas. Find us on Facebook and Stutzmans.com. Happy savings!